In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find clients on LinkedIn. So this is going to be partly a instructional and partly a conceptual video. So when you're looking for clients on LinkedIn, it's very easy to fall into the trap that everybody does, just to spam messages to people, and it doesn't work. It's not effective at all. But if you use LinkedIn properly, you can actually get yourself a lot of clients. So first of all, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to find the people. So you want to be signed in, of course, and let's type in the person that the job role we're trying to find. So type in managing director, for example. We give you results. Now here we can go to the filters, so we can change, all the different filters. So where they work, what industry they're in. So let's say they're in software development. Their title here, so you can select all the different titles. Company, you probably wouldn't want to do company because you're trying to find lots of different companies. What else can we do on here? Full time, obviously. If you wanted to go for local businesses, you could use the location tool. Business development manager, head of marketing, director. So all of these ones would be good. So we'll show results from here. So these are looking for jobs. What we want to do is people. Go to people. And okay, yeah. So we'd want to do these again. Yeah, we can just leave that. We can leave that here. Actually, I'll put an industry on here. Let's find industry. Let's just put that for now. But you would want to narrow it down, obviously, to the niche you're looking for. So from here, we want to go down here and look for some people that we want to pitch to. So who looks good? Sustainability transformation. He works at this company right now. A new sustainability consultancy providing expert services to help business become more sustainable through transparency. Okay, so he's been working there for 2 months. So he's pretty new there. It's pretty interesting. So let's go onto this website here, Jordisk Consulting, and see what they actually do. Go into a bit more depth about this. So they enable what they do. I'm just reading through what they do here. Okay, so they seem to do some kind of training or something. So maybe this company wants to get more clients. What we want to do here is talk about what they do. So when we want to message him, we want to talk about what they do. So obviously we want to connect to him first. We can message him and say, subject line. We want to make this specific, so something about leads or new clients for the company. So Jordisk, or you could put something that's going to make them want to read it, but it's not too generic. Obviously you want to spend some time figuring out. Then here we'd want to put, hey Scott, I came across your profile after doing some research and saw you just joined Jordisk Consulting. Congratulations on the job. Congratulations on the new role. Cool. So you've shown him that you are real. You might want to put something more in here to show him that you are really that you're real. So you basically want to show them that you're a real person, that it's an icebreaker, but you need to show them you're not a bot, you're not spamming them. So if you've worked at the same company, we both worked at Microsoft, for example, you can say, hey Scott, I just noticed we both worked at Microsoft. Hope all was well there, whatever, blah, blah. Now I see you've moved on to this company. Hope all is well there. So that's the icebreaker. Now I want to say something like, the reason I reached out, is because we offer, or we specialize in generating, maybe not generating, pretty generic word. We specialize in, let's try to think of a nice word that's like specific and interesting. We specialize in identifying, or I'm trying to think of a word that means like hand picking. So there'll be good words for it. Identifying and enticing new leads for consulting firms such as yourself. Now that's like you've given them sort of like, okay, what you do. Now we want to try and grab his attention a little bit more. So we've built a AI powered system which allows us to do X, Y, Z, and I think Jordisk may benefit from this greatly. You want to put something in here, some social, like some results as well. So like we've generated this in the last 30. We generated a brand like yours 40 new leads in last month with this system. We generated a company similar to yours 40 new leads last month with this new system, and wanted to see if you'd like to give it a shot. Completely you put something so it's no risk for him, so be like completely risk free, or let me know if you want to get on a call so I can show you how it all works. You're going to be impressed, I promise. Something like that. Specific, to the point, easy to read, it's obviously not spam. And that's how you would kind of want to do it. Now, if you would do this and send like a lot of these out a day, so if you're sending like 50 of these out a day, you're going to get a client pretty soon. Like, I can guarantee it. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped. Thank you for watching.